The Pfaff Admire Air 5000 serger is so easy to thread with the AirJet threaded system that's in place. Now, there is a time where I like to tie on my threads and pull them through, especially with decorative threads. So here is the knot I want to show you. Now, when you tie threads on, they will go through, the knots I should say, will go through the loopers, but the knots will not go through the needles. So if you do tie on for the left or right needle, know that you can pull them through, but then you cut off the knots and still thread each needle separately. So when you are changing thread, so let's just say we're going from all these colors and changing over to white thread. First off, don't clip close to the first guide. Clip back here at the spool. Then when you are tying on, you have plenty of the tail to tie on to. Now I am just going to go ahead and tie my pink back onto my pink, and then I'm going to show you what you're looking for when you are pulling it through. So I like to just take both the tails. I have the tail from my new spool and from where I cut. Put them together and then tie an overhand knot. That's the same knot you use to tie a balloon. So just go ahead, one all the way through, and that is going to hold as you pull. So that knot will probably get caught, maybe just, not caught, but just hung up a little bit there. But remember, lift up your presser foot. That will release all your tensions. I'm bringing my needles all the way to the highest position, and then I'm going to pull out to the side. Notice once I've pulled past the chain and the individual threads are showing, it looks like there's 3 pink threads, because there is. So I'm going to clip off the chain and pull on one of these pink threads, because one of them, there it is a fake one. So there's my fake one. Now I'm just down to the one pink one. So I can now even open up the front door and even watch. Like right now, I can see my knot is kind of hung up at the top. So I'm going to give it a little help as it's coming through. Here comes the knot down through the hole, and now it is pulled out the looper. Cut it off, and remember, we don't have to do anything special when we start to serge. Just put down the presser foot. Oh, by the way, if you don't put the presser foot down, I'm stepping on my foot control right now, and it actually will not sew with the foot control, with the foot up. But I do like to pull my threads through. I don't just run the serger and hope that those knots make it all the way through. So again, you can tie on all your threads, pull them through, and then remember the needles just need their quick little last hole threaded at the end. But since you've got the built-in needle threader, that's a cinch as well.